Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is how the makeup looks.
Fine face, slim waist, got the juice, make your own a guy chase. Body good, but the vibe made me chase. When she carry herself, me won't go praise. Got her own, never need a mind paper.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how I do my makeup a little bit. So, yeah. I kind of already started. I started and then I was like, oh wait, I want to do a tutorial. Alright guys, to start with my eyebrows, I start off in the front and I draw a straight line underneath my eyebrows. Then I go ahead and make my way towards the arch so that I can line it up and arch it however I want it. And I do it in sections sometimes because for me that helps make it more precise and look more better. Then I go to the end of my eyebrows and I go ahead and line it up over there. And I make my way towards the front of my eyebrows. And I like to do it in little parts at a time because for me that makes it easier, but I just messed up in my eyebrows and I drew like too much, like I went too much into the eyebrows. So you can always fix that later by going in with the brow pomade and filling it back in. I make my way towards the center of my eyebrows and connect the one eyebrow to the other. Even though it looks like I have a unibrow, it's whatever, it's fine, it's gonna be good. So you see me going back in and filling it in where I messed up. Then I'm going to connect the bottom of my eyebrows later on. I don't know what time or when in this video, but I'm going to connect it. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep on going and shaping my eyebrows for it to look however I want it. Your eyebrows should look like sisters, not cousins. So yeah, you see me give myself more of an arch and making it look like the eyebrow on the other side. So yeah, and then I'm connecting it in the middle. And the first time I did a voiceover, it sounded bad, so I'm redoing the voiceover right now. So now you see me going ahead and blending my eyebrows out because you want to blend it in to match your skin because you don't want spots. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take the excess concealer and go ahead and go towards the center of my eyebrows, and I want to blend going downwards towards the middle. You don't want to take too much of your eyebrows off, which I do, and I end up drawing it back on a little bit. But yeah, and then you want to blend it into the eyebrows a little bit to get like the fading effect if you want that. And then you're just going to continue to go ahead and outline your eyebrows and blend it. Basically, that's what I'm going to be doing in a few seconds. I don't know what I'm doing next, so I'm just gonna probably stop talking. No, I also use a spoolie to blend in everything. Using a spoolie helps you to see what your eyebrows actually looking like, and if you like how they're looking, and if you like the shape of them. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking right now. Actually, there's Elizabeth, but I'm gonna blend the concealer onto my eyelids, and that's what you're gonna see me do. Alright, so after you're done blending the concealer into your eyelids, you're going to take another concealer that's more of your color, more of your skin color, because this helps to blend it in and make it match your actual color of your face, because you don't want to leave that white concealer that you put on before on your face and call it a day and go, because that's not how you do makeup. So yeah, but when you're drawing it this time, you don't want to go too close to the beginning of the eyebrows because you still want to have that effect that makes your eyebrow pop. Now I'm taking the concealer and I'm blending it in my eyelid. I'm not blending it yet, but I'm putting it on my eyelids, and eventually I'm going to go ahead and start blending it with the same brush that I used before. And yeah, you just want to keep on blending down, smoothing everything out, making sure it looks nice, checking for any spots or things that you need to correct in your eyebrows. And now I'm just saying that I have the Wet n Wild primer that I use on my face, and I should have put it on earlier, but I don't know why I forgot. But yeah, I'm just telling y'all that that's the primer I use. So now I'm just going ahead and blending again, and you're just going to keep on seeing me blending in this video because that's basically what makeup is about, blending. If you don't blend your makeup's not going to look nice. Since I'm going for a natural look, I take my foundation that I'm going to be using on my face and I put it on my eyelids, and then I use a flat brush to put it in there, and then I go over it with the beauty blender. Going over it with the beauty blender really helps to pack everything down and make it look like your skin, and I do it to one side, so I have to do it to the other. So I'm putting on foundation on the other side, and then I'm using the beauty blender again to tap it in. And yeah, now I am putting some of the foundation above my eyebrows to blend it with my skin because I can't leave it light. So yeah, I'm rubbing it in, and now I'm blending it all out. Again, more blending just to make it look nice and smooth and like my skin, which you should be trying to do too. And now I'm just blending it again, blending. Now I'm just admiring my eyebrows because yes, girl, they look good. They look good. And So now I'm going in with the Nubian palette, and I'm using that color to go on my eyebrows. I don't want a big look today, it's just a natural look, so I'm just putting a little bit over my eyelids. And yeah, I'm starting and making the corner darker so that it can add to the effect of the whole thing. Yeah, I'm continuing to put some more on. I'm moving it more towards the inside of my eyelids just to make it look like the same color. I wanted a neutral and natural look. So yeah, I'm just blending it, but I did make it darker in the corner because it makes it look better. So make it dark in the corner. Now I'm going to my Fenty, the love of my life, the best foundation in the world, only foundation I use. And I'm just go ahead and put like 5 or 6 pumps on one side of my cheeks. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with a flat end brush. When I blend, I try to blend it going downwards and not in a circular motion or like a crazy motion. Just try to blend it going down and make sure you blend it good. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and moving it downwards, and it also helps you not to have a mustache when you're doing your makeup. You go in one direction, which is downwards. Yeah, I'm just tapping it and blending it in, and then yeah, see how well that color matches my skin? Like yeah. Now I'm doing it to the other side, putting 5 or 6 pumps on the other side, talking, and then I'm blending it again to make it look like my skin. And now I'm going to go to my forehead and use a flat brush to start because I only have a little space up there. So I use a little brush to start it, and then I also blend it into my lace. So if you have a lace, blend your foundation into your lace. Then I go ahead and use a beauty blender, of course, and I always use a beauty blender after everything I do and tap everything in. It just makes it look like your skin, like I said. It just makes it look more natural and dissolved, and your makeup look flat and nice. Now I'm going to take that beauty blender and go on my forehead and tap it in too, and then I am going to contour. So I use my Clinique in the color golden, and I go ahead, and this is a nice color. I won it for free on Sephora, and it ended up matching my skin color surprisingly. But yeah, you just take it and go under your eyes, and then you do it like that, like a little triangle. And then you take that concealer and you go under your other eye in a little triangle form too, or shape. I don't know why I said form. But yeah, and then you want to take it and go under your nose. And then you want to go on your chin. And then I do my nose. I contour my nose because I don't have a nose and I have to create one. And then I also contour my forehead because, you know, I got a big forehead. So, you know, you got to try to make that jaw look smaller. So, yeah, I'm just going ahead and putting that concealer on there. And then I am going to blend. Actually, I lied. I'm going to use this trick that I started doing. I take my foundation and I go and outline my concealer, and it helps it to blend more and make it look more natural. Then I take that same foundation brush that I used in the beginning, and I go ahead and tap and try to spread it out before I even use my beauty blender to contour. So yeah, after I do that, I'm just showing y'all now that my contour matches. Why am I saying contour? My highlight matches and blends in, and my foundation looks nice. Basically, that's what I'm doing right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and keep on blending out that little highlight part. And then what am I going to do next? I don't even know. Oh yeah, I'm showing y'all that I have 2 different beauty blenders. I have one for my highlight and one for like my foundation. So I have 2, that's what I'm basically saying. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tap. The reason why doing makeup takes a long time is because if you really doing makeup good, you're going to have to spend a lot of time blending. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm blending everywhere that I highlighted. I'm blending it out. I tap it and I tap it, and I kind of move it from my mouth and blend up near under my eyes, like blend it together. And yeah, I just keep on tapping as y'all can see. Then I have to do it to the other side too. So yeah, if you really want your makeup to look nice, you got to keep on blending. Blending takes a good like 5-6 minutes. So yeah, I'm just blending now. And then I am going to use my NYX settings. Why am I saying NYX? My NYX setting powder, and I'm going to go ahead and tap it in under my eyes. Everywhere that I highlighted is where I'm going to put the setting powder. Setting powder makes your makeup look so bomb. It gives you like this look that I don't even know how to describe it, but it just adds to the whole thing, and it makes your makeup look so good and so nice. I don't even know. But yeah, I gotta tap in my concealer underneath my chin, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the setting powder on my nose, and I'm gonna add the setting powder on my forehead. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, and now I'm tapping it all in. And next I am going to keep on tapping. I didn't know what I was about to do next, but I'm just gonna keep on tapping that setting powder in, and then I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush, and I'm just gonna go over everything and just tap it in, tap 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 everywhere. This really helps it to blend in with my skin, because sometimes when you're doing your makeup, it can look like lighter and make it look too light, but you don't want that. So now I'm going to contour my nose. I go in with my Black Radiance palette, and I go ahead and give my nose a form and a shape because I don't have a nose. And I go under it, and then next I take it near my eyes and just define my nose more. And then I take my beauty blender and I tap it. Alright, so when I'm blending my contour out, I kind of tap it and move it towards my cheeks a little. It just helps to make my skin more brown and actually match my skin color, so I recommend that. And I use the cream palette right now, and then later I'm going to use the powder palette of the same black radiance thing. You just want to draw that line, and then you're going to draw it on your forehead because you got a big forehead, like me if you do. And then, yeah. Okay, let me tell you the story of the first time I got pulled over. So, Elizabeth experienced this because she was in the car. First time we got pulled over. Right? Alright, so what were we doing? We were hanging out, we went to the movies.
I was smoking.
She was vaping.
Yeah, I was so scared.
And I'm driving, and I look, and I see blue lights. Blue and red lights. And I'm like, oh, look, the cop's about to pull somebody over. And then I realized that the light was right behind me. And I started panicking, yo. Panicking like I never panicked before. I was panicking so much. And then I was like, oh my God, what do I do? I was like near the left side of the road. I was like, oh my God, do I pull over to the left? But I was like, no, you idiot. The cars are going like faster to the left and there's nowhere to pull over. So I was like, oh my God, I was freaking out.
She's like, Elizabeth, what?
I was freaking out, y'all. And then so I just decided to pull to the right like I was supposed to. I don't know why I'm saying the side like that's not the rule. So I pulled over to the right side of the road, and then
Wait, baby, keep this for me. This is not in the middle of the
okay, then I pulled it to the right side of the road, and then my heart's beating. I was like, oh my God, Lisbeth got a vape. In my head, I was thinking like, I hope she do something with that vape.
Bro, I never put something on my leg so fast, bro. That thing was hitting.
So she hit that joint real quick, pulled down the window, let the air go down some. I saw her. Yo! And I was breathing so hard, my hand was on the wheel like this. I was not moving. I was so scared, y'all. I was like, oh my God. Cause you see so much stuff in the papers and in the papers. What was it in the paper?
You read the paper.
You see so much stuff in the news. They're probably back. In the news about people getting shot, black people getting shot, should I say? And you know, we're black.
Right.
So I started panicking. I was like, oh my God, what do I do? And first of all, I don't even have insurance.
That's the tea.
And I'm driving without insurance. I was like, oh my God, what if he asked me about my insurance? So then he pulled me over. What did he say?
He was like, ma'am, your tail lights out.
Yeah, he said, ma'am, your tail lights are out. I was like, whoo! Whoo! I was like, oh my God, what do I do? So what do I do? And then he's thinking like, this girl retarded.
No, she's like, what's a tail light?
Yeah, I was confused. First of all, I don't know the anatomy of a car. So I was already confused. Like, I was like, what in the world is that? It's out. Oh my God, what do I do?
You didn't ask me, bro. You're so freaking cute.
What? Oh, 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 oh. I cannot dance. Now I go back over with my little foundation brush, with my foundation brush, and I just try to blend everything in. Make it look nice, you know.
Okay, I highlighted. All you gotta do is contour for me.
You do?
We met the first time she's been a night.
This is the part I hate. I hate putting on eyelashes. I got this pack of eyelashes from AliExpress, and they're so cute. Like, they are so cute. So these are what I'm gonna use. Usually I wear this one, but today I'm gonna be extra and put this one on because, you know, why not? So yeah, and it was only like $5, y'all. No, I'm lying. It was like $3. I'm done being finessed. I'm not buying y'all eyelashes no more. Y'all will not catch Familiar with a Spoon unless it's sponsored buying anybody freaking eyelashes, because no, you know, time to bring this makeup to life. Time to bring this look to life. All right. Oh, my thing, I broke. This is my favorite palette of all time. This is the Anastasia, whatever you call it. All right, that's the palette, and it's the Sugar Glow Kit. This is bomb, even though mine's broke. So if you love me or have a crush on me or want me,
Buy it and I'll be your girlfriend.
this is what I want. All right, now I'm gonna use my Mario Badescu, and I'm gonna spray my face and set my face, basically. So yeah, let's do that.
Thank you.
I don't like the feeling of that on my face. So I feel like spraying the Mario Badescu on your face helps to get that glowy look. So I think that's what gets you the glowy look. I literally just said that. But, and also my foundation is not a matte foundation. Like, I've never worn matte foundation. So Fenty also is like a glowy foundation, like a dewy look. So if you want that look and that's what you want to achieve, get you some of those things that I just listed. But now I'm just going in with my beauty blender and I'm just tapping everything in. Put some right there. Put some right there. Who?
Josh.
Put some right. They can't hear you, you dig? Alright, y'all.
No.
Next, I am going to. Ooh, who is this? I don't even know no more. I know. Okay, next I'm going to put some mascara under my bottom eyelashes because what the freak am I doing? I need some mascara. What the freak is the mascara? I'm almost finished. Now I just need to straighten my hair. Then I'm gonna show y'all the finished look. When you say you love me, oh, I love you more. When you say you need me, no, I need you more. I adore. Can you not? Get some lotion. I got some Jorgons. Alright, now we getting somewhere. Now we getting. Yo, this hair is not laying down today. Like, it's because I blow dried it and washed it. Now I want to stick up. No, you don't. No, you don't. My hair's not looking like I really want it to look. But it's alright. This is the look. Oh my god, no, this is not the look. I lied. I need to put some freaking blush on. Okay, now I just take any blush. Mostly I do pink and I go over where I contoured. And then I'm going to go in with that same Anastasia palette, whatever y'all want to call it. And I highlight right there with the same color I used to highlight under my eyebrows. And yeah, let me go back to what I'm saying in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is only my first makeup tutorial. And I promise you I will get better. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And leave comments, questions, concerns at the bottom. And I thank you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye guys.